Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to log into Capital One mobile app. So in order to log into Capital One mobile app, you need to install first of all. So go to your respective app store, type in Capital One, and after which you want to click on the open button. As you click on the open button or install, you will then be taken to their homepage, which is gonna look something like this. Now what you want to do is basically to get started, you click on to the get started button and you have to enter in their card number and the expiry date. Now this is for actually creating an account, right? So in order to sign in, you just want to click on the open button and look for the sign on or sign in options. So actually you could just click onto your get started button. So you need to type in your card number and the expiry date of the card. Once you type in the following information, tap on the next button and you'll be prompted to enter in other details as well. And that is basically how you're going to log into Capital One mobile app. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.